Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Thereafter he began to offer prayers to the three deities, who were seated on different carriers, a bull, a swan and Garudan, and who held in their hands a drum, kusha grass and a discus. The sage offered them his respects by falling down like a stick. Danda means a long rod, and vat means like. Before a superior, one has to fall down on the ground just like a stick, and this sort of offering of respect is called dandavat. Atri Rishi offered his respect to the three deities in that way. They were identified by their different carriers and different symbolic representations. In that connection, it is stated here that Lord Vishnu was sitting on Garuda, a big aquiline bird, and was carrying in his hand a disc. Brahma was sitting on a swan and had in his hand kusha grass, and Lord Shiva was sitting on a bull and carrying in his hand a small drum called a damaru. Atri Rishi recognized them by their symbolic representations and different carriers, and thus he offered them prayers and respects.